Hi, Mark. How are you today?
I'm good, Lily. A little sleepy, but good.
Sleepy? Did you sleep late?
Yes, I watched cat videos until 2 a.m.
Again?
The cats were learning English. I was learning with them.
Ha, sure. So, today we talk about ourselves, right?
Yes, how to talk about yourself in simple English.
Let's start with something easy. My name is Lily.
And my name is Mark.
Nice to meet you, Mark.
Nice to meet you too, Lily.
Okay, Mark. Question 1. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. It's cold, very cold. My nose is always frozen.
Poor Mark. I am from the Philippines. It's warm, sunny, beautiful, and my nose is not frozen.
Lucky you.
Okay, Mark. Question 2. How old are you?
I am 27 years old. And you?
I'm 25, but I feel 18. Always young.
Yes, but your back says 80.
Hey, that's rude, but true.
Okay, now let's talk about jobs. Mark, what do you do?
I am a graphic designer. I make posters, logos, and sometimes ugly designs.
You said that, not me.
Ha, yes. And what do you do, Lily?
I am a teacher. I teach kids. They are cute and noisy and cute again.
Sounds fun. Okay, next part. Let's talk about family.
Sure. I have a small family, one brother and my parents.
What is your brother like?
He is funny and he eats a lot. Like a lot.
My brother is the same. All brothers eat like dinosaurs.
Now let's talk about personality. How would you describe yourself?
Hmm. I am friendly. I am talkative. And I laugh a lot.
Yes, very true. You laugh at everything, even when I say watermelon.
Ha ha. See? I laughed.
Now, me. I am calm, I am quiet, and I am a little shy.
A little?
Okay, very shy.
Let's talk about hobbies. What do you like to do?
I like reading, drawing, and sleeping.
Sleeping is not a hobby, Mark.
It is for me. I'm a professional sleeper.
Okay. My hobbies are cooking, dancing, and watching movies.
Let's ask more questions. These questions help English learners talk about themselves.
What is your favorite food?
Pizza. Always pizza. Forever pizza.
Wow, emotional. Favorite color?
Blue. Because it's calm. Like me.
And mine is yellow because it's bright, like my smile.
Favorite music.
Pop music. Happy, fun, energetic.
I like soft music. Relaxing, slow, peaceful.
Okay, Mark, what is your daily routine?
I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I work. I eat. I sleep. Very simple.
And I wake up, I stretch, I smile, and I say, "Today will be a good day."
Wow, you are positive.
What is your dream, Mark?
My dream is to travel the world and eat food everywhere.
Food again.
Food is life.
My dream is to open a small school, a place where kids learn and feel happy.
That's beautiful, Lily.
What skills do you have?
I can draw. I can cook a little. And I can fix computers.
Oh, can you fix mine?
No, your computer is scary.
True. Okay. What do you like?
I like quiet places. I like nature. I like good food.
And what do you not like?
I don't like loud noises, crowded places, and running.
Nobody likes running, Mark. Lily, what are your strengths? I am kind. I am hardworking. And I am patient.
Nice. And your weakness?
I eat too much chocolate.
That's not a weakness. That's a talent.
Let's talk about your past. Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small town. Quiet, simple, peaceful.
And I grew up in a busy city. Loud, colorful, exciting.
Tell a funny story about yourself.
Okay, one time I walked into a glass door. I thought it was open.
No way.
Yes, everyone saw me. I smiled and kept walking.
You're brave.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy, comfortable, relaxed.
Same. Talking is nice. Sharing is nice.
In the future, I want to learn new languages.
Ooh, which ones?
Spanish, Japanese, and maybe cat language.
Meow?
Yes, you speak it well.
Repeat after us. These sentences help you talk about yourself.
I am from.
I am years old.
I work as.
My hobby is.
I like.
I don't like.
My dream is.
Mark, do you think people feel shy when they talk about themselves in English?
Yes, many people feel shy, but it's okay. Everyone starts small. Everyone learns step by step.
True. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you learn.
Yes, and your English is already better today than it was yesterday.
This was a nice talk.
Yes, I enjoyed it. I learned about you and I learned about myself too.
And our listeners learned a lot today.